In this video, you'll learn how to verify your bank account for your eBay seller account. Completing this process is essential for receiving payments from your sales and ensuring a smooth transaction. Start by logging into your eBay seller account. Once you are on the main dashboard, navigate to the payment section. This option is typically located in the account settings or can be found in the main menu. Click on it to access your payment settings. In the payment section, look for the option that allows you to add or verify your bank account. Select this option to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your bank details, which include your account number and routing information. It is crucial to double check the accuracy of this information before submitting it to avoid any delays or issues. After you submit your bank details, eBay may send small test deposits to your bank account. This step is necessary to confirm that the account you provided is valid. You should check your bank statement after a few days to see if these deposits have appeared. Make a note of the exact deposit amounts as you will need them for the next step. Once you have noted the deposit amounts, return to the eBay verification page. Here you will find fields specifically for entering the amounts of the test deposits. Carefully input the amounts in the designated fields. After entering the information, submit the confirmation to complete the verification process. Once your bank account is verified, it will be set up for payouts from your eBay sales. It is important to monitor your payment notifications regularly to stay updated on your transactions. Additionally, keep your banking information current to ensure that you do not encounter any issues with future payments. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.